Picture this. Americans are grappling with car loans and interest rates. Well, they're skyrocketing faster than a sports car on an open highway. We're talking about a staggering $1.5 trillion in car loan debt nationwide, with over 100 million Americans strapped into these financial vehicles. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads, and budget-conscious folks, rev up your engines and fasten your seatbelts, because today, we're about to embark on a journey that could put the brakes on your car-related financial stress. But hold on to your steering wheels, because we're here to navigate through this financial maze together. In this video from Car Computer Exchange, we'll reveal why buying a used car now can be your ticket to saving big and steering clear of financial potholes. From the average monthly loan payments that are leaving many Americans feeling stuck in traffic, to the critical role your credit score plays in the car buying game, we've got all the fuel you need to make an informed decision. So, let's buckle up and explore the road ahead, where wise choices can lead to a smoother ride and a healthier wallet. Get ready to discover how taking action today can help you shift gears towards a brighter financial future. This is a journey you won't want to miss, so stay tuned. Interest rates, the silent price creeper. Picture this, you're at a car dealership, eyeing your dream car. You've done the research, you're ready to make the deal. But wait, what's lurking in the shadows? It's your car loan interest rate, the silent price creeper. Interest rates are like that one person who always shows up uninvited to your party. Annoying, right? Well, it turns out that these interest rates are gate-crashing the car market too. Let's dive deeper into this. You see, the relationship between interest rates and car prices is like a seesaw. When interest rates go up, car prices tend to come down. Why? As interest rates rise, it becomes more expensive to borrow money. And when people can't afford to borrow as much, car prices need to drop to match what buyers can actually pay. So, higher interest rates means lower car prices, and vice versa. Brooklyn Dilemma: when your car becomes a money pit. Now, let's zoom in on a real-life example from Brooklyn. There's a guy who's in quite a pickle. He bought a car, and now he's regretting it because the price of used cars has gone all the way down to ouch. Why is this happening? Blame it on the interest rate shooting up. Imagine this, you're paying a ton of money for a car you don't really need, and if you sold it today, you'd probably lose $15,000. Ouch, right? That's the reality when interest rates soar. People can't afford to buy or keep their cars, so the price of used ones drops like a rock. But it's not just about one guy in Brooklyn, it's about the broader picture of car affordability. The takeaway here is that interest rates can make or break your car buying decisions, so it's essential to keep an eye on them. Time machine. Let's go back in car time. Now, let's hop into our time machine and take a journey through the history of car loans. We've seen some wild twists and turns in the world of car financing, from low interest loans that made you feel like a financial genius to skyrocketing rates that felt like a punch in the gut. We've experienced it all. Remember those days when you could practically get a car loan with the change you found in your couch cushions? Well, those times are long gone. Today, interest rates are on the rise, and it's changing the game for car buyers. But here's the thing, understanding the historical context of car loans can help us navigate the current landscape better. We can learn from the past and make more informed decisions about our car purchases. So buckle up for a fascinating journey through the highs and lows of car loan history. Alright fellow road trippers, here's a pit stop for you. Have you ever had a car with a quirky name, like our Audi e-tron mishap? Share your funniest car name experiences in the comments below. Audi, lost in translation and sales. Now, let's switch gears, pun intended, and have a good laugh. Have you ever heard about Audi's marketing mishap? It involves a French translation that's, well, not so classy. But before we dive into the humor, let's explore why branding is the true horsepower of any business. From Audi's fiasco, we'll transition into a broader discussion about branding and its impact on a product's success. What's in a name? Apparently a lot. We'll explore the art of branding and how it can make or break a product. Plus, we'll share some other hilarious car mishaps that will leave you chuckling. Hot garages. Are they cooking your car? Now, let's talk about something that hits close to home for many of us: parking our cars in hot garages. If your garage feels like a sauna in the summer, your car might not be too thrilled about it. We'll address concerns about whether high temperatures can harm your vehicle and provide some practical tips on how to keep your garage temperature manageable. Your car deserves a comfortable home too, and we've got some cool solutions to ensure it stays in tip-top shape no matter how scorching hot it gets outside. Cracking the code. P0606 troubleshooting. Ever had a warning light on your car's dashboard ruin your day? We feel your pain. In this segment, we'll demystify code P0606 and what it means for your car's health. From bad sensors to pesky wiring, we'll guide you through the detective work needed to get your car back on track. No more mysterious warning lights keeping you up at night. AC woes. Getting your car to chill out. Is your car's AC acting like it's on vacation when you need it the most? We've all been there, and it's a frustrating experience. In this part of our journey, we'll explore the reasons behind the lukewarm air blowing from your car's vents. But don't worry, we're not here to leave you sweating. We'll share some expert tips to make your AC ice cold again, ensuring that your summer drives are a breeze. Lincoln, the fall of an American icon. Remember when the Lincoln was the epitome of luxury? Well, times have changed, and it's time to explore how Lincoln went from a symbol of opulence to landing on the list of America's worst luxury cars. We'll take a closer look at the historical reputation of Lincoln, recent criticisms, and even delve into the competitive landscape of the luxury car market. Car subscriptions versus ownership. The ultimate showdown. Lease or own. It's the battle royale of the car world. In this segment, we're diving into the concept of car subscriptions and why they're getting so much buzz. Plus, we'll give you the inside scoop on whether leasing or owning is the smarter move for your wallet. In a world where financial decisions can feel like navigating a complex highway, we're here to provide you with a roadmap to make the best choice for your car journey. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's continue this ride. Well, fellow car enthusiasts and savvy shoppers, we've reached the end of this thrilling ride through the world of cars, loans, and all things automotive. But before we part ways, remember this: the road to financial wisdom is paved with knowledge. So, if you've enjoyed this turbocharged journey and want to stay in the driver's seat when it comes to car tips, tricks, and tales, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Join our Car Computer Exchange community and be the first to know about our latest adventures in the world of wheels. Hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's navigate this winding road together. Until next time, keep those engines running and those wallets happy.